What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of Amazing A-Frames. And this week we have a lot of new styles for you guys, and as well, like always, a lot of restock. So check the site every day because we are releasing new A-Frames daily, and there will be also restocks. And some of these restocks I know that a lot of you guys are already waiting on. So let's get into this and start with the first hat today. And boy, oh boy, this one came out so good. Gray UV, black guts, the New York Yankees with the Lichita logo, and this one in our classic liquid titanium color with the 99 World Series side patch. And boy, oh boy, this is shiny like it's crazy. Look at this. Look at this, how fantastic this one came out. Then you got the 99 side patch on the side, and also this liquid titanium Yankee script on the back. Black snap, gray UV, black guts, the New York Yankees. So let's go ahead and oh my god, I don't know which one should I show next. We got a chrome pack. Now let's go with this one. This one turned out to be also so nice. Super nice throwback style. Kelly green UV, black guts, and I know you guys love the Atlanta Braves, and you love it even more when this beautiful tomahawk is in the front. Embroidery absolutely on point. We got the 95 World Series side patch, and look at this fantastic details here. It's amazing. Two-tone scarlet red, navy button visor, and then you also have a navy snap on the back. Kelly green UV, the Atlanta Braves with the World Series 95 side patch. Then, super nice style for spring, and this time this combo is really cool. So we got a gray UV, black guts, and then we got mint and stone together. And look how beautiful this came out. I mean, this screams summertime, right? We got a stone dome, we got this mint, so this is a little bit different to chrome. I can show you, so I don't want to spoiler you, but so that you can see the color difference between stone and chrome. So this is stone and this is chrome, right? Let's put this away. I'll show this in a second. So we got the Toronto Blue Jays in this fantastic color combo with the 20th anniversary side patch, a stone snap on the back, gray UV, black guts. Beautiful hat for springtime. So talking about springtime, we got a super nice additional chrome two-tone pack. Consists of contains 3 hats, beautiful hats, and these logos are absolutely crazy. First one, the snake logo from the Arizona Diamondbacks with this metallic liquid titanium, and look how shiny this is. This is sparkling, it's crazy. And oh my god, I just can say this embroidery era is absolutely fantastic. And then we got the 10th anniversary D-backs side patch, also with these small details, and those small details matter because when you have this hat in hand, you will absolutely love it. Then we got a black snap on the back, and this time a red UV, beautiful color combo from the Arizona Diamondbacks. So next one, a dedication to this, one of the best players probably of all time, so Los Angeles Dodgers, and we got this 50 home run, 50 stolen bases, Shohei Ohtani from last year. And this is a patch that we have never used before, and it looks amazing with these crossed bats. And then you have here these, look at these beautiful Japanese signs, and then you got here the Dodgers with the number 17 in the front, bold embroidery. Also here a royal blue snap, gray UV, black guts, super nice two-tone Dodgers Shohei Ohtani. And now this is the first time that we are using that logo on an A-frame. Super nice throwback style, Kelly green UV, the New York Yankees, and then you have here this in navy button visor, navy script in the front, and this Yankee script is really cool. Really, really cool. And then you got the World Series champions 1927. Beautiful. And also here a navy snap. This is the third one from this Chrome Dome series. So we also got more spring colors for you. I know you guys love the pink UVs. And this time, this one is all black from the Philadelphia Phillies with this pink P in the front. And then we got this beautiful, shiny All-Star Game 96 side patch. Beautiful. This is super clean. So with the pink UV, black and pink UV go so well together. Super clean, black snap on the back. This one is also dropping this week at Topperzstore. And then another beautiful Yankees. And this time with a red UV, all black. And look at this crazy New York Yankees fade logo in the front. Red, and then you got metallic pewter, metallic silver. Gives it a special touch. And you have here the 100th year anniversary from Yankee Stadium with the red details. Beautiful hat, black snap on the back, and red UV. Woo-hoo. A lot of crazy hats, and last but not least, another kanji hat that I wanted to show off. And this color I absolutely love, and I know you guys love it too. Gray UV, and then you got this version of the kanji on a graphite hat with the Japanese flag on the side. I mean, come on, this pops off so good from this graphite. I absolutely love it. Then you got the LA on the back too, graphite snapback, gray UV, black guts. So this is my selection from this week from the A-frames that we are dropping. More to come, and as I already said, there will be a lot of restocks too on both stores. So also check out Topperzstore USA, because we are also releasing there a lot of new A-frames every day. Let me know in the comments below, what were your favorites of these hats that I've shown off today? I mean, there were a lot of hats, right? And let me know which ones were your favorite hats and which teams you would like to see next, or which colorways you would like to see next. We always reading the comments, and we always listening to you guys, because feedback from the community is very important for us. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do me a favor and also hit the subscribe button. It's totally free, and you can join our Topperzstore family here on YouTube, and there will be new videos nearly every week. On Wednesday, I'm showing off all the new A-frames. On Sunday, you will get my top 3 hats from the week. And on Monday, of course, we always have our live stream Cap Talk, where we are showing off all the new fitted hats that we are dropping this week on both stores. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope you can enjoy the rest of your week. I'm out. Bye.